Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Silver Fox here. Hey, I'm just about to go to the USPS to drop these eBay orders off, but I just wanted to share that eBay is still alive and well, and you can make money on it, even in 2023 with increased shipping and fee costs. And so these were ordered over the weekend and yesterday. And I think there were some people saying on online, YouTube, and Facebook that they were really dead on sales the last week or two. And I think that's mostly because people were on spring break, whether that's elementary, middle, high school, and I have a brother that's in college right now doing a graduate um, degree, and I know he had off last week. So I always thought that people had more time to like spend money and stuff on eBay, but I think it's the exact opposite. And in more videos, I'll go through it. But it seems like whenever people got free time, they're spending it with family and friends. They ain't gonna go shopping. But once real life picks back up, they'll be doing some shopping. So that's what happened here. I was completely dead last week until the weekend and Monday. So we got three things going out, and I'll tell you how much I paid, what the profit is, and how I'm shipping it. All right, first one here, we got some burned boots. They got a little bit of wear right here. I got these off of Facebook Marketplace. Um, I think I paid about $40 on these, and I forget what I got paid. I think I'll be about $20 roughly in profit. Right there. I got this Garfield guy with, he's pretty cool. He's got like a little drink, a little margarita or something, a little lime margarita. Maybe he's golfing, who knows? But it's a Dakin one, made in Korea. I think it's from the 80s. And I got it for $7 at a garage sale, and the gal paid, I think, about 31-ish dollars. So I think I'll be making, after fees and shipping, I don't know, maybe about $20 or so. And then this is the biggest sale of the week so far. I got some uh, Salomon women's boots. They're kind of nice, like golden black. I got those at a garage sale for $5, believe it or not. It was like the end of the day, 2 o'clock. And they're pretty nice. They are used, but bought them for $5, and I think they sold for around $69. And so let's here. Let's just count that as 70 minus $20 shipping. So I'll be probably making about 40-ish dollars on these. So not bad for $5 invested. But people in March are still buying snowboard boots and ski boots, and they're ready to party with Garfield. So there you go. That's the sales of the week so far. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you like this kind of content. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Peace.